This video is brought to you by Porsche Classic, genuine parts, partners, and factory restoration. To learn more, visit PorscheUSA.com/classic.
Welcome back to PCA's Garage. Today we have a quick, easy DIY for you. It's replacing the hood struts. These are the struts that keep your hood from falling on top of your head when you're getting things out of the trunk. So we're gonna go ahead and get to it. So although this is a pretty simple process, there's some precautions that you want to take measures with. I like to use blue painter's tape and put tape anywhere I might actually slip as I'm trying to pry out the clip, where I'm leaning upon, anywhere in here in case I'm doing something, I'm not scratching the paint. I have it protected with the tape. Also, make sure your hood is propped up with something soft or have a second set of hands to help you out. And we're gonna set this in place here. All right, and you're simply gonna pry off the clip. Once you pry off the clip, it'll pop right off. Again, make sure your hood's in place. And then here, the bottom one, you just pop it off. You don't even need to move the clip. The clip will automatically come off, and there you go. You've got the old one. Take your new one. Make sure you remember the orientation. The larger part of the strut, the wider area, is at the top, and the slim one is at the bottom. In case you forget, you can always look to the other side. Now you're gonna pop the bottom one in, lift the top, push it in, and just like that, you're done.